Kids, today we will learn the names of the countries of the world starting with the letters U, V, Y, and Z along with their national flags. Kids, there are 7 countries in the world starting with the letter U, 4 countries starting with the letter V, 1 country starting with the letter Y, and 2 countries starting with the letter Z. So come on kids, let's start our study. Uganda, Uganda. Ukraine, Ukraine. UNITEDARABEMIRATES, United Arab Emirates. UNITEDKINGDOM, United Kingdom. UNITEDSTATES, United States. URUGUAY, Uruguay. UZBEKISTAN, Uzbekistan. VANUATU, Vanuatu. VATICANCITY, Vatican City. VENEZUELA, Venezuela. VIETNAM, Vietnam. YEMEN, Yemen. ZAMBIA, Zambia. ZIMBABWE, Zimbabwe. So kids, these were the names of the countries of the world starting with the letters U, V, Y, and Z. If you enjoy watching knowledge-based videos like this, then be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.